Welcome to the channel, where I bring you the best product recommendations to help you shop smarter. Today, I am breaking down the top 5 best cookware sets that deliver durability, performance, and real value for your kitchen. If you're ready to upgrade your cooking experience, these selections will guide you to the right choice. We have included links in the description. Number 1. T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set 17-piece, nonstick pots and pans set with fry pan, saucepans, sauté pan, griddle, dishwasher safe, black. The T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set brings together durability, convenience, and consistent cooking results for anyone who wants a reliable upgrade in their kitchen. The hard anodized exterior is built for long-lasting strength, giving this set the toughness needed to handle daily cooking without wearing down quickly. Each pot and pan is crafted to resist scratches and maintain its performance over time, which helps keep the cookware looking new even after continuous use. One of the standout features is the thermo spot heat indicator. This circular mark in the center of the pan shows when the cookware has reached the right preheating temperature, helping you achieve even searing and better cooking control. It takes the guesswork out of heating and makes preparing meals simpler, especially for people who prefer precise cooking temperatures. Paired with the nonstick interior, food releases easily, cleanup becomes much faster, and you can cook with less oil if desired. The 17-piece collection includes a wide range of cookware such as fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, a griddle, and more. This makes the set versatile enough for almost any dish, from quick breakfasts to large family dinners. The riveted silicone handles stay comfortable to grip, which adds to the overall safety and ease of use. The lids are vented and made of tempered glass, allowing you to monitor your food without lifting the lid and losing heat. Number 2. Amazon Basics Non-Stick Kitchen Cookware 8-piece Set, Non-Induction, includes pots and pans, black. The Amazon Basics Non-Stick Kitchen Cookware Set offers an affordable way to equip a kitchen with the essentials needed for everyday cooking. This set is designed for simplicity, ease of use, and practical performance without unnecessary complexity. Whether preparing quick meals or handling daily cooking tasks, the non-stick surface allows food to release with minimal effort, making cleanup much easier. The set includes 2 frying pans, 2 saucepans with lids, and a larger casserole pot with a lid, providing a good range of sizes for boiling, sautéing, frying, and simmering. Each pot and pan is made with an aluminum body that distributes heat evenly across the surface. Even heat distribution helps prevent burning in specific areas and improves overall cooking consistency. The lightweight feel of the cookware makes it easy to handle, especially for those who prefer tools that are not overly heavy. The nonstick coating is designed to reduce sticking, which means you can cook using less oil and still achieve smooth food release. This feature is particularly helpful when preparing items like eggs, pancakes, and delicate foods that easily cling to traditional surfaces. After cooking, washing the pans is simple because residue comes off quickly, which is convenient for busy households. The handles are designed for comfort and remain cool enough during stovetop use for safe holding. The tempered glass lids let you keep an eye on your food while sealing in moisture and heat. This helps maintain flavor and allows for more efficient cooking. The overall build of the cookware supports daily use while remaining accessible for people who want a straightforward set without paying a premium price. Number 3. HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 8-inch Frying Pan with Tempered Glass Lid, Stay Cool Handle, Dishwasher Friendly, Oven Safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, Induction Ready, compatible with all cooktops. The HexClad Hybrid 8-inch Frying Pan brings a unique blend of stainless steel and nonstick technology designed to offer both durability and smooth performance. The hybrid surface combines a laser-etched hexagonal pattern with a tri-ply construction, which includes an aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel layers. This design enhances heat conductivity and ensures even temperature distribution across the pan. This makes it suitable for dishes that require stovetop to oven transitions or high heat finishing techniques. The hybrid surface also resists scratching, which allows for the use of metal utensils without damaging the non-stick performance. The included tempered glass lid helps retain moisture and heat while giving you the ability to monitor cooking progress. The Stay Cool handle is designed for safe, comfortable grip even during extended cooking sessions. Because of the pan's thoughtful construction, it offers strong temperature control and responds quickly to heat adjustments, which is useful when preparing foods that require precision. The non-stick performance of the hybrid surface allows for easy cleanup while still delivering a professional-grade cooking experience. Food lifts from the surface with minimal effort, making it easier to prepare eggs, vegetables, meats, and more. Even with its non-stick qualities, the pan is built to withstand heavy use, offering long-term reliability for various cooking styles. The dishwasher-friendly feature adds convenience for those who prefer effortless cleaning after meals. Number 4. Cuisinart 77-11G Stainless Steel 11-Piece Set Chef's Classic Stainless Cookware Collection. The Cuisinart 7711G Stainless Steel Cookware Set offers a combination of classic design, durability, and dependable performance for home cooking. Each piece is made with stainless steel that provides excellent heat retention and resistance to staining. The aluminum encapsulated base enhances heat distribution so food cooks more evenly without hot spots. This helps ensure more precise results whether you are simmering, sautéing, or boiling. This set includes a variety of essential pieces such as saucepans, a stockpot, a sauté pan, and skillets. The measurement markings inside the pans offer added convenience for preparing recipes that require precise liquid amounts. The tempered glass lids allow you to monitor your food without removing the lid, which helps maintain steady heat and moisture during the cooking process. The stainless steel cooking surface does not react with ingredients, preserving the natural flavors of your food. This is especially beneficial when preparing acidic foods or dishes that require clean, consistent flavor. The rims of the pots and pans are tapered to provide drip-free pouring, reducing messes and improving ease of use. The handles are designed to stay cool on the stovetop, offering secure and comfortable handling. The overall build quality of the set ensures that it can withstand regular daily use. Stainless steel is well known for its ability to maintain its appearance over time, making this set a long-term addition to any kitchen. Number 5. GreenLife Soft Grip 16-Piece Cookware Set, Non-Toxic PFAS-Free Ceramic Non-Stick, Pots, Frying, Sauce, Sauté, Glass Lids, Stay-Cool Handles, Wobble-Free Bases, Dishwasher and Oven Safe, Turquoise. The GreenLife Soft Grip Cookware Set focuses on healthier cooking, user comfort, and lightweight construction. The ceramic non-stick coating, made without PFAS, offers a safer alternative to traditional non-stick surfaces. This coating allows food to glide easily, making cooking and cleaning less stressful. The ceramic material heats quickly, helping you prepare meals efficiently without long preheating times. The set includes a range of pieces such as frying pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, and utensils. The wobble-free base design ensures stability on the stovetop, which promotes balanced heating and reduces the chance of uneven cooking. The turquoise exterior adds a vibrant look to the kitchen while maintaining scratch resistance for long-term use. One of the main highlights of this set is the soft grip handles. These handles stay cool during stovetop use and offer a comfortable, secure feel when lifting or moving the cookware. The glass lids allow you to check on your food while sealing in flavors and moisture. The lightweight nature of the cookware makes it easy to handle, especially for users who prefer pans that are not overly heavy. The ceramic nonstick surface performs well with minimal oil, supporting healthier cooking habits. Because food releases easily, cleanup is simple and does not require harsh scrubbing. Most messes rinse off quickly, and the cookware is dishwasher safe for added convenience. Thanks for watching and checking out the top 5 best cookware sets. All product links are in the description if you want to learn more or find the best deals. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful product reviews, and I will see you in the next video.